It's been 6 months since we updated you on the progress of the Cleveland Opportunity Corridor project, and a lot has happened. If you're new to the project, it was designed to improve the transportation system and support planned economic development in the areas between the I-490-I-77 interchange and University Circle. This historically underserved, economically depressed area in the city of Cleveland has been known as the Forgotten Triangle. This 35-mile-per-hour boulevard includes a median, crosswalks, pedestrian and traffic signals, a multi-use path, tree lawns, landscaping, and vehicular, pedestrian, and rail bridges. Work is on schedule for the new Opportunity Corridor Boulevard to substantially open to traffic this fall. So, let's get to it. Here at the transition from I-490 to the boulevard, traveling east from the I-490-I-77 interchange, you will notice that we can see completely under East 55th Street now. The East 55th Street Bridge is still carrying 2 lanes of traffic. In its final configuration, the bridge will carry 4 lanes of traffic, 2 in each direction. Excavation work in this area continues as crews prep the site for construction of Opportunity Corridor Boulevard and the new Quadrant Roadway. Construction of a new pedestrian bridge over Opportunity Corridor Boulevard is progressing well. The bridge beams have been set, and crews are currently working on preparing to place the concrete surface folks will walk on to cross the structure. This pedestrian bridge will provide access from the Slavic Village neighborhood to the East 55th Street RTA Rapid Station, just north of the boulevard. You'll see 2 bridge piers, also known as the supports, have been constructed at the Kingsbury Run Ravine site. A new bridge is being constructed here to traverse the valley, which will greatly improve the connection between the Slavic Village and Kinsman neighborhoods for motor vehicles, bicycles, and pedestrians. Crews are currently removing formwork and preparing to set beams, the horizontal supports that sit on the piers, which are scheduled to arrive on May 20th. Changes have already been made at the intersection with Kinsman Road since this video was taken in early May. Kinsman Road is currently closed to eastbound traffic between Grand and Sidaway Avenues as construction of the new intersection with Opportunity Corridor Boulevard gets underway. Continuing east, construction is ongoing on a pair of bridges over RTA's blue and green lines. Work is underway to place the remaining steel beams and prepare the placement of the concrete driving surface, also called the bridge deck. Here you'll see where excavation has taken place between the bridge over RTA and East 75th Street in order to build the new roadway and multi-use path. The intersections of East 75th and East 79th Streets are nearly complete, and work continues on the center median, sidewalks, multi-use path, and traffic signals on this section of Opportunity Corridor Boulevard. Between East 79th Street and Buckeye Road, construction of the railroad bridge for the Norfolk Southern Railroad continues. The Norfolk Southern Railroad tracks have been temporarily realigned onto the completed half of this structure. Crews are currently working on preparing to set the beams for the remainder of the structure. The intersection of Opportunity Corridor Boulevard and Buckeye Road is complete, as well as the widening on Buckeye Road and East 89th Street. Just north of the intersection of Woodland Avenue, you'll see the existing East 89th Street bridge piers. This bridge is in the process of being removed to make way for the new pedestrian bridge that will maintain the connection with the neighborhood across the RTA and Norfolk Southern Railroad trench. And here we reach the eastern limit of the Opportunity Corridor Section 3 project at the intersection of East 93rd Street. The work completed over the winter months has allowed the project to remain on track for the new boulevard to be substantially open to traffic on November 1st, 2021. For more information and to stay up to date on the Opportunity Corridor project, please visit www.opportunitycorridor.transportation.ohio.gov. And now some bonus aerial video of Section 2 of the Opportunity Corridor project between East 93rd Street and Quincy Avenue. This section opened to traffic in the fall of 2018.